Alright, so I just got this 2011 American Standard Heritage 15 heat pump that I got defrosting last winter. Right here. It's very quiet in cool mode. So light scroll. 2011 5-ton. Interlink. That's interlink. There's a reversing valve. That's all cold and sweaty. So yeah. I don't know if this is gonna be startup shutdown. It may be. Actually no, right now this is gonna be a startup and run. So yeah. Yeah. Later in the summer I'll get a startup shutdown. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Over and out.